Failing in higher educational is flying.
It's inspirational
And recreational.
trying.
Way, way up there in midair to be touching the sky. Which I guess is why there is no feeling that's quite like the feeling of flying.
Bumping your head on the ceiling of what's up above. There is no high that's as high as the high I am trying. Flying, I love.
There is no high that's as high as the high I am trying. Flying. What's that sound?
I don't know. It's getting louder though. We better slow down.
Johnny, look! There's a fan! It's gonna suck us up! Oh,
Try to slow down.
I can't!
Try to slow down. Try. I can't. Try.
Wait! Burping is the answer!
This is fun. Oh, how I love to burp.
People burp from that